How to change the background colors in your Instagram story. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to change the background color in Instagram, first and foremost tap open it and then tap on your story or swipe to the right. Once that is done, you can choose camera or select any of the picture of your choice. Once that is done, tap on create button. Once you tap on create, it will give a color and a background to your story. Now, if you check on the bottom right, you will see a circle. You can now put in or choose any colors that you want in your background story. This is one way by which you can change the background color. Likewise, there's another option as well. You can also see a circle on the top of the page. If you tap open it or tap on it, it will start changing the background color. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you've got any questions, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.